We have interrupted regular programming to bring you this emergency message. This message is being broadcast at the request of the emergency management officials and the United States government. NASA has detected the Sun moving 300 miles closer to the Earth, which has caused rise in temperature. It is unknown if it will move any closer to the Earth. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. The National Weather Service has issued an excessive heat warning for all southern states including Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and Southern California. From Saturday 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time until Sunday 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Temperatures are expected to reach as high as 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not go outside. If you are outside, stop what you are doing and go inside. Bring all children, pets, sick people, the elderly, and belongings inside your home immediately. Turn on all air conditioning units and keep your home as cold as possible. Do not turn on any heat. Turning on heat will cause homes and vehicles to explode. Stay hydrated. If you don't drink fluids frequently, you will die from dehydration. Going outside may lead to serious burning, heat stroke, hyperthermia, or death. Please stay in a cold place to avoid death from overheating. Stay tuned to local media for more information on this dangerous situation. This is the emergency alert system.